This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Kim. Beautiful 2-bed/2-bath/1-car garage condominium located in the highly desirable East Park community, Lake Nona area. The home is well maintained. With an open floor plan combined with soaring high ceilings, the home brightens up with an abundance of natural light. Through the double sliding glass doors, enjoy your own private balcony overlooking the lush conservation area. The home features laminate wood flooring throughout. The kitchen comes equipped with stainless steel appliances, plenty of storage space, and solid wood cabinets. The spacious master bedroom overlooks the conservation area and highlights a master bath with a dual vanity, walk-in closet, and private toilet area. Conveniently park in the one-car garage. Take advantage of the community amenities, including basketball, volleyball, and tennis courts. It is a great location, only minutes away from restaurants, shopping, and attractions. New washer/dryer will be installed before move-in. For more information, review the details below.